Welcome back to my channel, students. We'll continue with the remaining questions of the trigonometry. So before seeing this, you can subscribe my channel so that you will get all the notifications earlier and you can get all the question solutions through this. So coming back to sixth question now. The question is, you have to prove that root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. So for this, our first aim is to remove this root. For that, what we have to do? Already you know that rationalization. I already studied it. So for that, 1 minus sin a, we have to take the rationalizing factor of the denominator. If it is negative, we will take positive. If it is positive, we will take negative. So now 1 minus sin a will become 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a. So now in the numerator we have 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a. It becomes 1 plus sin a whole square divided by, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. That is 1 square minus sin square a. Now we cannot remove the square root because only in the numerator we have the square. We'll make the denominator also in that form. So for that, you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. 1 plus sin a whole square divided by cos square a. Now here also it is square. This is also square. So the square root gets cancelled. Now we have root has gone now. 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. So each we will divide it separately. 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. So now the last step is 1 by cos a is nothing but sec a plus sin a by cos a is tan a. So whatever was there in the RHS, we have got it now, students. Therefore, we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Once again, I just explain. You can listen it. So the question was root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a is equal to, we have to prove the sec a plus tan a. So the first step we took it as, here it is 1 minus sin a. Its rationalizing factor is 1 plus sin a. We are multiplying and dividing it by 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. So 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a becomes 1 plus sin a whole square. It's like a into a is a square. And divided by, this is in the form of 1a minus b into a plus b. It becomes a square minus b square. That is 1 square minus sin square a. So now 1 square minus sin square a is nothing but cos square a. So here the squares and the root gets cancels. Now we are left with 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. If we divide each term separately, 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos a is nothing but sec a. Sin by cos a is tan a. So we got LHS is equal to RHS. So yes, students will continue with the seventh question. The question is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. We should prove this is equal to tan theta. So we are going to prove now. See, here is sin theta and here it is sin cube theta. So we can take sin theta common now. If we take sin theta common, here we are left, don't think that it is 0, it is 1. So sin theta into 1 is sin theta. If you take 0, it becomes 0. So don't do that mistake. Minus 2, out of 3 sin thetas, 1 has been taken out, remains now sin square theta. Divided by, here also same thing, we are going to take cos theta common and we are left with now 2 cos square remains now. Cos square theta minus 1. Now sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. So what was there in the RHS already we have got, students, now. But our intention is to remove these things, get them cancelled. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta can be taken as 1 minus cos square theta, because we know that sin square theta is 1 square minus cos square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now the next step is tan theta 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2, minus into minus is plus 2 cos square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now see, students, here it is 1 minus 2. What you will get there? Tan theta into bracket 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Change these things. 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So these two gets cancelled. Now we have the answer as tan theta. What was there in the RHS? We have got it. So once again I will explain, students, just listen. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So if we take sin theta common, in the bracket we have 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta into bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. 1, this 2 I have written as it is. Instead of sin square theta, we have to take 1 minus cos square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1 as it is. Because this cos theta, sin theta already we have taken it as tan theta. Now if we have applied this formula here, now we are opening this bracket. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into cos square theta is 2 cos square theta. So tan theta as it is divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1 as it is. And in the last step, tan theta 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta and denominator as it is. Now tan theta, just I have rearranged this. 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1 gets cancels and the answer is tan theta.